Hello, my name's Steve Price, company SSP Technology Ltd. We're based in Melbourne in Derbyshire. Today we have a Pemamo MDR 140 NC. This particular machine is a 2007 model which will chill your oil to roughly plus or minus 1 degree, so it'll keep your parts nice and consistent. This machine I sold new originally to a fairly large aerospace company who used it only for 1 or 2 years. The machine then went into storage and they decided for their particular parts they weren't using it, so we were able to purchase this machine back. During lockdown, I have to tell you, we used the machine and we machined ourselves some ventilator parts, which I think you'll see on our website. You may see the machine operating. That contract is now finished, so this machine is available for sale. Because this is an NC machine, it gives you quite a few options within your control. For instance, within the expansion mode itself, you can have 4 different expansion procedures. You can operate in speed, which means it will be so many seconds for 10 microns, or you can operate at a fixed pressure, which you can advise the machine which pressure you wish to work. It can be relative, which is relative to a particular part size. So if you wanted to just take 2 microns out of a part, you can feed up automatically, touch the component and then remove those 2 microns. Or for longer parts, you can run on incremental, which means it only feeds at the end of the stroke, which means you don't get a big build-up in production. There are several other parameters that you can set within the machine. You can set obviously your final size, how much you return, your expansion. We're currently set on 10 seconds for 10 microns. The dwell time, you can set a security level to what maximum pressure, and you can also read off at any time what the max absorbed current has been during the previous cycle. You can set with fast approach, which means you're not wasting time, so as you can bring the tool in and touch the material very quickly, and you can set with fast approach or without fast approach, depends on what you want for your particular operation. The changeover level is the level in which the machine goes from when you first touch the material to when you go into full honing. At the moment it's set at 50% of the full honing production speed. If you go into adjustment mode, you can see we can have different operations. We can set to roughing, finishing, or even super finishing. So every program that you save, you can save 3 sets of parameters: your roughing, your finishing, and your super finishing. So next time you come to do the job, you can just reload the program. Spindle speed is set automatically when you program in the tool. Table speed you can set automatically, but you can also override. Table stroke, you can set the stroke position, you can set the table position, and the fixture position you can set front, middle or rear. Here you will select the type of hone. You'll go into the hone type that you want to select, find the hone that you want, and when you find the hone, you select it and you'll tell it the size, the hone diameter, the hone grit, and any taper, and whether you're using it with or without an adapter, and the machine will then make a calculate, which you know are going to be a working parameter and will work. From there, everything is adjustable. If we want to increase the final size, we press 1 micron here. If we want to decrease the size, we push 1 micron here. we want to go up 1/10 of a micron or down 1/10 of a micron, we go down, and then we'll go up 1/10 of a micron here. So you can control the size to within 1/10 of a micron on the control panel. So that's really about it. The machine has a manual range from 1 to 70 mil, and it'll do from, I think it's 2.5 to 50 mil in automatic. Any interest in this particular machine, please give SSP Technology a call on 01 332 865 232, and one of our team will be happy to go through it with you. Thank you very much.